Hello everyone, this is SKYWORTH Global Marketing Department Training Group. This is Jerry. Sales point in hand, sales goal in sight. Today, we're going to show you how to use the function of daily key, daily shortcut, and daily manage in our daily family. Now, let's first go to learn how to use daily key.
First step, press the daily key button and choose any ad. Second step, choose the app you want and add it. Third step, go back to the home page and press the daily key button again. Finally, you can press up, down, left, and the right button to go to the apps quickly.
Okay, now you know the daily key function. Let's go to next one, daily shortcut, which will help you know your TV and set your TV very well.
First step, press the shortcut button. Then you will find the source, shortcut, and recent. In the source part, there are TV source, composite source, and 3 HDMIs. In the shortcut part, there are 6 functions. They are TV menu, beauty skin, adaptive brightness, adaptive color temperature, colorful line, night mode, speed up, and the sleep timer. In the recent part, there are the apps that you used recently.
So the last one will be our daily manage. In this part, I'm gonna show you where you can find your files and check your storage. Let's do it.
First step, in the full screen apps page, find the daily manage app. Then you will find the TV's data here. In the left side, it shows the total storage and current storage. You could also do the speed up here. In the right side, first, you can delete your document in Cleaner. Second, you can check the function usage in e-manual. Third, you can manage all the apps in File Manage and App Manage.
Okay, those are all the informations for today. See you next time. Bye bye.